What is algo trading and how can it benefit me?
Introduction to Trade Simply Connect. Trade Simply Connect is a social platform that helps you achieve financial freedom through smart trading and investing. Our aim is to teach everyday people about trading and investing. While regular social media can be a waste of time, our platform provides you with valuable information about trading and investing, helping you improve your financial journey. Understand market fluctuations. Imagine every trade involving real-time money transactions directly debiting or crediting your account. If you view this as a business, it becomes a huge opportunity. All you need to do is trade with the best probabilities. Choosing the right trading strategy. Once you have selected stocks, the next question is, should you go for short-term or long-term trading, and which strategy works best for you? This will guide your trading path. Simple charting and predefined zero-value indicators. Learn to create strategies with simple charting and zero-value indicators. Understanding market charts is crucial for building a trading strategy. Our predefined charting tools and Analyze Now Algo help you take the next step toward algo trading. Understanding risk management. Risk management is one of the most important aspects of trading and investing. Knowing how much capital to allocate for each trade and where to set stop losses is essential for success. Fund allocation and order placement. Understanding how and where to allocate your funds and how to place orders, limit orders, GTT orders, or market orders is key to successful trading. Order book and trade management. To become a successful trader or investor, you must learn trade management. We provide a platform where you can save and test your strategies for free. Building a successful strategy. Algo trading automates your strategy, but first, it's essential to learn how to build the right one. This includes understanding support and resistance levels. Understanding time frames. Time frames play a crucial role in trading success. Whether you are a day trader, swing trader, or long-term investor, it's important to know which time frame works for your trading style. Medium to long-term strategies. We provide simple technical tools and allow you to choose time frames, helping you create the right strategy. This is crucial for mastering algo trading. Automating your strategy. Once your strategy is ready, automating it is the next step. The algo trading system automatically executes orders based on your rules, so you don't have to manually trade. Technical knowledge. There are several technical aspects to algo trading, like data feeds, backtesting, and trading bots. Understanding these is crucial for successful trading. Advanced algo tools. Using advanced algo trading tools helps you analyze market trends and make data-driven decisions, improving the accuracy of your trades. Constant monitoring and adjustments. Algo trading isn't a set-it-and-forget-it process. You need to continuously monitor and adjust your strategy to keep up with changing market conditions. Build your strategy with Analyze Now Algo tool. We have made trading and investing easier at every level with real-time, simple charting tools and Robotech AI. With our Analyze Now Algo feature, you can create your own customized strategy, save it, and test it in the real market. This will help you make informed and confident trading decisions in real-time markets. Extensive support at every step. Trade Simply provides full support throughout your trading journey. With real-time market experience, predefined tools, and educational resources, we help you become a successful trader. Conclusion. Algo trading is an organized process that makes trading simpler and more efficient. However, before diving into automation, it is essential to understand every technical and strategic aspect of trading. Trade Simply Connect provides all the tools and support you need at every step. Once you've mastered these, algo trading will become a powerful tool for your success in the market. How we can help you achieve financial freedom. Learn basics of stock market with Edzone. Join Trade Simply Connect forum, investors' social media. Take expert advice and access live reports. Our Trade Simply partners will support you on every step of this journey. Become our elite member on Connect and gain premium access. Become a wise trader or investor by passing our simple modules and be certified. Take benefit of our AI-generated report with least tech jargon. So, now you can learn, earn and grow sitting home. Now, join us on Trade Simply Connect, your one-stop solution for all your trading and investing goals. For more information, call now.